Welcome to Q Talk. My name is Marvelous Achafu, and today on Q Talk, we'll be discussing a interesting, controversial, and interesting topic. So I mentioned interesting twice because this is super interesting. Now, social AKA people saying that I'm not a your level. So we'll be at thank you for coming and share. Our honorable minister and activist. Thank you for always thank you for always coming on the show.
You
We would like
welcome.
to discuss. Thank you. So we'd like to discuss this on a layman terms, on our terms, like social class. For those who don't know what social class is, this is the division of the society based on their social and economic status. So we are relating this in the LGBTQI community, whereby people not in your level, don't talk to me, I don't know which level, I need only rich people, only people, I go with only class. So just everything, talking about this, or should I go first?
You could go first. By the way, I can't hear you very properly though. It's like coming in and cutting out.
Hey, should we start again?
No, carry on, but just no, just try to take it slow. I guess I don't hear what you say.
So you can hear me.
Yes, I can hear you.
So let me go first. So for me, or social class in the LGBTQI community, like to to an extent, I feel people that do it are people that what set of it. They have low self-esteem. They do not know they do more harm than good for society. And I feel like they are the ones that don't even belong in the community. Yes, for them. I know that Chimereze might make a I've seen you sometimes post on your status that change your circle and your life will change. But I do not believe in
Obviously,
that because some people
I'm
will
an
always
advocate of change your circle and your life will change. You can't want to be a president and roll with people who don't have inspiration to run for presidency. It doesn't go like
but
that.
sometimes I feel like some people that even talking about this inspiration and say, oh, inspiration, I don't go with losers, I don't go with people that are on the lower level. You are actually the one on the lower level. Sometimes some people will say, oh, I want this kind of friend. I want like what did I tell people? I say
Mm.
magnet does not attract magnet. And plastic does not attract magnet. So sometimes people are like the plastic and they want magnet to be attracted by you're on a plastic
What
level.
of
You're not
if
on
the
an iron
magnet
level.
is inside the plastic?
What of it
If the magnet is inside the plastic.
if the magnet is attracted? It should not be attracted because it have been blocked. The plastic would have covered the magnet. So the thing will not see the one thing I feel like social classes just for are the ones that are not even worth it. They are the ones that are empty, all packaging, no food. They will just pack for you. When you open them, when you unwrap them, you will find out that you are nothing. They have no content, they have no this. They are the ones that I'm not on your level. I want a higher level. I want this. And I feel like they work on yourself. Because you, on the other hand, you're just empty. So people, if you take away their food, they add their food. Take a food. That is it. The most expensive thing they have in the house. It's the iPhone. Take it away. They're empty. Not
I guess
no, no, no,
it all
they're
boils
just
down to people's mentality, to be honest,
on
because
an
like
imaginary. So, let me let you. Okay,
it all
okay, let
boils
me let you go now. What do you hear?
it all boils down to people's mentality. Like for some people, it might not be the iPhone. It could be, oh, I'm in Canada, oh, I'm in America. So that's the only thing they've achieved, and that's how they classify the people in their life. But when I do quote, change the circle of people you have, and your life will change. I'm not talking about just physical or materialistic characteristics in those people. I'm talking about also mentally because like if you roll with the wrong set of people your life will definitely end up like the people you're rolling with. Give for example, you roll with thief, you end up being in a very compromising situation. So in a situation where we can't take out classes in the society, there's always going to be class. People always look for how to classify you, and people always use that. For example, we are rolling because most of us are LGBTQ members. We are trying to understand or relate with some people because they are queer folks. If they were not queer folks, I don't think you roll with some certain set of people. So there's still going to be class in every society. There's still going to be, grouping of people. But the most important thing is that when you're grouping people, what benefits do you get from these people? You're getting. If you're going to say, okay, I'm going to be friends with this person, the question behind that thought is, why are you truly friends with that person? You're getting. So it's
But
all about, it's all about, I'm
why
just,
is it like they care about money? Money, 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 money. Like, oh, so me, if once somebody has money, it's like the LGBTQ community. That is my problem. See, we might not, it's not by force. I always tell people like friendship is not by force. Blowing is not by force. I am the kind of person like that. I enjoy my own company. I love to be in my own space. I enjoy my own space. I tell people I say my self-worth is something I value so much. But what I find a problem with is the fact that people only they respect people that have money. Once you have money, you're like the alpha and omega. Your opinion is for this opinion in the room. Success. When you are giving success tips, you feel like you're the one that should care. But yes, you should be the one to give advice. When you are even talking in the room, you feel like you've achieved. If you are as someone that is not so wealthy, or let me use the word poor, once you talk, they will be like, oh, you are poor, please. Hey, what do you know? I beg, I beg, I beg, I beg. No, if you want to. But once it's the rich person, even if the person is saying rubbish, they will say, oh, rich man. Is that hypocrisy for me? Show everybody a way like the social class is not even working for us, and it's causing more of division, causing more of hatred, causing more of causing. And most times when I like I said earlier, most times when I see people that even do this process, they are not worth writing home about. Like they are zero, complete zero, zero level. Oh yeah, talk 2 minutes. I'm not saying you want to talk.
like I said, it all boils down to your mentality. And when you are classifying people, like you rightfully said, when people are rich, everybody wants to kind of relate to with someone who is rich, right? Everybody wants to be with someone who is successful. But there is a difference between wealth, class, and integrity. Somebody could be wealthy and not classy. Somebody could be classy and not wealthy. And somebody could be all the three of those folks. So when you're like grouping people in your life, you should really focus on intelligence and class, because an intelligent person will add more values to your life. An intelligent person may not have money, but he will give you a resource to making money. A wealthy person will not give you money, will not give you ideas, will only hold money, and the only time a wealthy person will want to carry you along is when it favors him to boost his prestige. So that is one thing in the LGBTQ community, and it still boils down to your mentality. When you are able to define your purpose and why you are classifying or why you have this class of friends in your list, at the end of the whole day, to be very, very honest, people will always be people. People will always go for what they feel is more fashionable for them or what boils down to their interests. But at the end of the whole day, we should all understand we are one community and we should use our differences for good.
Use your differences for good. Me, I think it's something like in this community, it's getting worse by the day. One thing I also want to draw out is that even in the case of activists, sorry, I have to shake this table. I see activists every day. They come and say, oh, I'm an activist, I'm an activist. Nobody's perfect. I have you do also. We all do. But as an activist, when you even social class, like their parties will say, I don't attend. I can't attend. All you want to do is grant interviews for big industries, big media houses. We know an activist that we called for our show. We will not mention names, but we called an activist on our show. And the activist, quote and unquote, told us to go through a very rigorous process just to come on our show. If it was CNN or if it was Al Jazeera or TVC, an homophobic station, would the person tell TVC to go through those same process just to get him on the show? Wouldn't it just be an automatic, oh, yes, when will you have the. And that's one of the hatred I have for the LGBT community. Because if activists, but when you go for all these local parties and like hangouts, you do not see them there. You do not see them hang around there. They're in their own space, they're in their own. They will say, oh, because I don't want to be tainted, I don't want to be this, I don't. Then
Good.
you don't have to
Okay.
call yourself an activist.
let me address
You,
that situation.
okay.
See, when activists don't want to go to local places, it's because of the mindset there. When you go, sometimes when you find yourself in a local place with people of low IQ, you just discover that you're going to be trying to bring down yourself to the level they are. Sorry to say, but that's the truth. Sometimes you go to some, local
Because a
parties.
place is local doesn't mean they are unintelligent. Can I just separate that? Some
Let me finish. When they go to
because
those,
there's something that okay, land your point so that I
because
can
like
fire you because
I'm
they
not
are
saying
okay. I know you're
everybody.
opposing
I'm not saying everybody in the party is not
okay.
intelligent. I'm just saying it is a local party,
Okay.
and in a local party, there are some types of harassment and some type of approaches you don't want to. You're getting when you go to a party of class because you know, okay, if I'm going to this party of class, I'm going to benefit something from this party. So if activists are going to local parties or going anywhere, it's all about the benefit. What do you have to give to me? What do you have to benefit me? What are you adding? Are you adding value to me? So if they decide not to go to those
So
parties, it's because they
is our
have
activist.
nothing to add to them, by the way. But I'm
No,
pretty
for
sure
the
that
activist.
a very sensible activist will go to a local party that is beneficial to him or her.
Well, Chief Elezi, the question is our show local? Is
Our
our
show
show to a
is not
local show? It's too local.
our show is not a local
But
show.
I'm the activist to come and you know the rigorous process the activist knows to go through. It was almost like the activist wanted to say no, but didn't want to say no outright. And that's the same thing for different activists. We've called various activists to come on our show, and they did not. Some will tell us that, oh, something came up. We ask them, when are you ready to come?
I am pretty
They
sure.
will just
I'm pretty
come
sure
back
that
and
that
say,
activist
if it
must
was
have.
CNN, if it was CNN, we did like
No, because maybe CNN has something we did not have on the table for them. Are you getting?
yes.
Because
Why are they
you
coming and saying that they are LGBT activists? You come and you use the community members for, you say you fight for them. I know what pains me. It's the fact that these community members would even idolize the same people because the same thing you also said. Probably that's the truth. Probably they know that the local people. All they just need to do is just see them in that big limelight. And all they do is they will follow. They will not question close to us now. You are not a grassroots man. We don't see you in our local level. They will even praise them. They will hype them. Omega. But you that you're on the local level, I'm trying to think with these people, they would not see you as one of them and see you as one of them rather. They would even want to even bash you. And I think that now I actually see some part of your points whereby you say that sometimes the reason why they avoid these grassroots people is because the grassroots people are still in their grassroots mentality. They have not
yes.
upgraded their mentality. So I feel like I'm beginning to understand you now. So don't worry, carry on. I
So
feel bad though, but I think I'm beginning to understand you.
but that's still gonna be the reality of community. That's still gonna be the reality of life because like until our grassroots people change their mentality and know who to follow, you're getting they will still go back following the people that killed them. And that's the one funny thing because for example, let's say some of the queer celebrities we know, Bobrisky and James Brown. We know they are queer, but the question is, how have they used their platform to even help the community? You're getting, but community members will rather hype them up or rather praise them, knowing that they are the one causing more dangers to us. But why are they hyping them up? Because they have more followings, they have more money, they have more prestige. But when it comes to doing good, how far? When it comes to making a better community, how far? When it comes to fighting for human rights for the community, how far? How many good do we know? Maybe they've been doing it under the table, I can't say. But they will rather follow those people than someone who is a local lawyer that goes to bail community members out. Who is that local lawyer that we don't even know that is fighting for human rights? Or who is those local, activists in NGOs that are helping to bring people out from different situations? But nobody's going to talk about them because they ain't got no money. But rather, we'll talk about the people who use us as camouflage, say they are in the community, but they are not in the community. They carry our flags, but they are not there for us. And that is one thing we need to change. Even if I don't make any sense to anybody, but this is one sense I want to make. You need to start following people who care about you, not people who abuse you, and that is why we see many people still staying in abusive relationship. I even watched a video even before our show, and this girl, I think she was in an abusive relationship, but she still wants to stay in that abusive relationship because of all the benefits she gets from that relationship. And that is the reality for most of us. We want to stay in a place where they abuse us. They give us good money, they give us Balenciaga, they give us, we can wear Gucci and everything. We want to stay there and be dying and be smiling. They say it's better to cry with money than to be poor and happy. But at the, at the end,
So that one is someone, because me I always talk, I said yes, contentment is good, but sometimes it's better to cry in a Range Rover than to cry on a bicycle.
see, at the end of the whole day, if you're crying in a Range Rover or you're crying in a bicycle, you are still crying. But if you are walking
But
on the
please, Range Rover,
happy, it is better than crying in a Range Rover. Because at the end of the whole day, you may be happy for the rest of your life. And one day, as you're walking, you get a Range Rover. And that's the reality of life. And you'll still be happy. But at the end of the whole day, back to our point, we should begin to help those who are really helping us. We should change our mentality of classism. Yes, we're still gonna have classism in our community. It cannot be eradicated. But our mentality of how we classify people should change. The benefit and the good that others are doing should be recognized, because the LGBTQ community, we don't recognize people. We only recognize people when people have died, which is the most, and
exactly. When you,
we
because
only give honor to the dead.
I'm
Like,
listening.
if you love me, I can only know now that you love me. If I die and tomorrow you can, you are your own, no,
They'll
you
say
are a
he
liar.
was the best person. He fought for the community. He was a good person. But you will never tell that person,
You
even
will
when the person is
never,
alive,
you will
you tell that
never
person.
bring me flowers and roses to my door when I'm leaving. You then bring it to a graveyard. Are you kidding me? That is, black people, we like to celebrate death than life. We like to celebrate failure than success. You will see people, once you just say, oh, this show is not working, this show I want to quit, you will see people, oh my God. But when this show is working,
Ah,
please subscribe. Please subscribe. You will never subscribe.
eh,
Are
you
you
will
not?
never see. But when I wanted to, so when I told you that story about last week, when I said that, oh, Kiwi Talk is like, we're going to close down, we're going to see people in my DM. Hey, Kiwi Talk wants to close down. Are you serious? What happened? I said, so you people even care about the show. But when I mentioned the people that even
They do
DM me,
not care.
are people
They
that,
only
when I,
care that there is something to celebrate over, which is at least that thing they are holding on has gone. And this is
has
one
gone.
this is one bad thing about
Somebody
us.
even, like, see, man, you know the funny thing? Someone was like, I will buy Kiwi Talk. I'm willing, are you willing to sell? I said, so you are willing to buy it. But I'm not willing to even support sponsoring the show. And he said no. He said he want to run around and he just went about bit about the fish, and that showed me that truly this community is very very toxic. And sometimes I don't. I feel like if I continue going on and saying my mind, I may end up saying something bad. So that's why I just say today's show
No,
is like
for
a God.
me, for me, community member or not, yes, I'm community member. For me, I will never lie for this community. Community, if you are bad, I will tell you to your face you are bad. If you people are doing something amazing, I'll say you're doing something amazing. But right now, I feel the community is on a slope, because like we have this homophobia in us that we are hiding. Some of us hate ourselves, because like the other day I was having a conversation and somebody was saying, oh, the person made a very bad statement, because I was saying most times as square folks, as we are now during the Pride month, let's just be real. Most corporations and most companies will want to fly the rainbow flag, right? They want to do ads with rainbow people. I'm like, where have you guys been from January till now? Like, come off the jokes and cut off the pretense. Some of them you see that, oh, we like gay people. Like, why the pretense? We know you don't like us. I'd rather know that you fucking hate us. Sorry. I'd rather know you don't like us than you doing all your pretense. And the person was like,
Hmm.
if you fly your flag, you people complain. If you don't fly, you. I said, it's not about flying or not flying. The thing is about embracing oneself. Like when you embrace us, we truly know that a fake ass smile. Like if you really, really want to help the community, then be there for the community. Don't just be there on June. When it's June, you use us to get some coins that you can get. And then after June, once this month is ended, everybody has on your banana. We've all gone to our turn, and which is the so annoying
That's
thing.
true.
And that is one thing in our community. Once you do something good, or once you are being recognized, for example, now if our show gets on CNN or Al Jazeera or we get an award, you will see the whole hypocrites in the community coming to celebrate with us. But we know who you are. We will still smile with you and celebrate with you. But I will still tell you, you are a hypocrite. And that is why people don't like me.
Mm. Mm. That was what deep. That was very deep. People very fire come today. You have said part of my mind. Because before we were on this arguing terms, because I don't know, I thought committee, I say committee members, they can be they are supporting. They are supporting, like it or not. Our show has 800 and something subscribers, and they were community members that actually clicked and supported us. But me and you know that 800 and something subscribers are a fraction of the thousands of people that know about this show. People who know about this show, an average of at least, let's say, between 5,000 to 10,000 know about this show. We see it on our YouTube video, from the views on our YouTube channel, you know that people know about this show. But even to subscribe and support, the problem will come every time. Please subscribe, please subscribe. Because you will see that every time we see our video, we see that people that watch the video were more people that did not subscribe than those that subscribe. And it pains me because this is something. They will still find a fault in it. Somebody will still come and say, this your show is local, and you will still watch it.
It depends on what
When the
you
next
call in
episode,
support to. It depends on what you call in support. If this was like a regular show, heterosexual people will not only subscribe, they will share the show. It
they
will
will
be a
share it.
show.
Yes.
They will put in money for their own stuff. If what are we saying? When we're saying support, we're just saying some people who just say, okay, let us spy. Because most of the people who may have even subscribed may not even be our subscriber, may even be haters who just want to see when the show will end. Let me be real. The
That's
people
true.
who are just monitoring us, let us see how foolish they will go through. Might not even be supporters. So at the end of the whole day,
That's
when we're talking about support, we mean support, full support. We don't want this half big support. You want to support a show, you want to support an LGBT show, support it fully. Share the show. You don't have money. Yes, we know you don't have money, but don't you have fingers to share? You get my point.
true.
Don't
Mm.
you have mouth
That's
to
true.
tell someone? Don't you have your lips to say, "Oh, look at what these guys are doing"? I think. Don't you even know people you can connect different people to? Like in our community, it's only in the LGBTQ community that somebody will know somebody that you can connect that person to better that person's life. They will
They will
never
never even.
connect
Mm.
you. Rather, they will make sure
Even
that
there
you
will be grants.
don't come across.
There will be media grants for something that could actually help you. And they will let this place. They will see that you are the one that for this media. They will want to even cover it. They will say, no, God forbid, these people can never become better and upgrade their this. No, they cannot get it. It's just very terrible. It's terrible. And it all boils down to this social class and hate. I think we need to even do an entire episode on hate in the LGBTQ community. From
The
the
thing
social
is
class
that
and see how
it's been part of the queer culture because we've always been brutalized and there was a phase in the LGBT community where most of our folks were homeless, most of our folks have to be wretched to it was like a method of survival or a method
no,
of
but I thought that will make us good because
protection.
Stonewall was the changing point. Because Stonewall, it was when the LGBTI community realized that we are together, whether you like it or not. We may come from different backgrounds. And you know one thing about Stonewall that made it very, very interesting, that made the story very, very good for me. It was the lowest class of the LGBTI community members. The drag queens, it was the drag kings, it was the prostitutes, the hookers that actually fought that Stonewall riot, did that Stonewall riot, that changed the entire history in the USA. There were the conservative and the rich looking LGBTQI folks, the activists them that we have in Nigeria now. That all they do is not their ties and not their suits and do posters and do town hall meetings and claim that they are fighting for the community. But what was their what success rate did they get? Nothing. It was when the drag queens and the drag and the lowest of the community, the Vogue queens, all of them that were oppressed, they stood their ground and said, no, enough is enough. Forget it for our fight for ourselves. And when they fought, that was when they got it, and that's why pride is based on them. Pride was built on them, not all these white collar activists that we have now. All they want to
All this money seeking, fame seeking, attention seeking people we
attention
have.
seeking, all they want to do is to be on.
The only time they help you is when they can take a
It's not
picture
bad
of
to be
you
on.
to show the no, it's bad, it's bad. What is bad is bad. You helping somebody, the only time you're helping the person is to take a picture to get more money. It's
To
bad.
get more money, only
You
to take pictures. Why
when it's
can't you do something
beneficial.
from your own mind?
See,
Something
if
from your you don't
people
have to
like
shop for fun.
sorry, what's this girl's name? I've always for Marsha. If people like Marsha were only fighting for coins, I don't think we'll have the pride today. In case you don't know who Marsha is, you need to go to on Netflix and watch Marsha. Marsha is one of the first pioneer of
You
the
need
pride
to have.
of the LGBT.
Even have you wasn't fighting for his pockets now. Have
The,
you was
she had sorry to cut you short. She had a love for the people. She had a love for the community. We don't have people who have a love for the people. We don't have people who have a love for the community. We have people who have a love for fame and cash.
and
LGBT
cash?
cash and fame. Those are the people we have. And I will say it again, Bobrisky is one of them, even James Brown. But James Brown is gradually coming back to his senses or her senses now to know that community is what matter. We were there for you when everything wasn't rosy. So now that everything is rosy, don't back off. And that's the truth. The thing is that we know true people when money comes in. Not this one we are talking like when money comes in, I will still know if
So,
Marvelous Achafo will still be there
so
for
when I say this is that people should hold me to account. For now, people know me for now. I am not. But if you call me for any function, I would attend, no matter how grassroots. I've always been like that. Even when I was dating a millionaire, even when I was dating for every LGBT, when I dated a millionaire was a little knowledge, a little education, a little certificate I had. Now, call me for any function, I would still attend. Unless, but I know I've done more than once or two times. And that's one thing I tell people like, hold me to account. Not that I will come and be throwing money or spending money like a junkie symbol. No. We're not saying come and spend money like a junkie symbol. Contribute to where it matters. Share and support people. People problem no dey finish. If LGBTI community members, like if you ask them now, what are your problems? People will come. I want to pay my school. I need money for this. I want to buy iPhone. I want to problem. You go collect problem go be like Bible. But do something for the community member that you know you are doing it. This is to make sure that okay, fine, no, it's to open like a center or a safe house. Like open this, let it be there. Open that, let it be there, and make it accessible for everybody. Open, you know, we talked about this thing one time. It was that Black History Month. People should go and watch that thing because that episode was very good. I think that's what we put that our mind. Viewing center. What stops them from opening football viewing center? That we can come and community and watch. What stops on we having share our problems, share our this, have a club where we talk about our mind. If we need help, those that can support, we support. Those that can help, we help. A club where we can talk. What stops us from having this kind of about reactive, HIV, reactive? You know they tire on. Or they want to make money, collect money from.
Be HIV negative today, you can be positive tomorrow. So far from that, sorry to cut you short, but far from that, I know the excuses people say, I don't have money. Must not have money to support. Connect people you know that can help. Connect the community to people you know that can help. That is the most important thing. Secondly, celebrate victories. Celebrate victories. Contribute. Even if you don't have money or they are doing something, share. Can you share? Can you like? Can you be of assistance? Can you bring a vendor who can assist? There are a lot of things. Try to be there for the community. Secondly, learn to embrace your community first, and be a lover of the people, and it boils down to love, love. This love is love. Love is changing. Like it's the LGBT community is more like a sex community now, no longer a love community. To be very honest, it's more like sex is sex, not love is love. Because like I've been searching for where you guys left this love. I ain't seen this love. To be very honest,
Hey,
not see
hey,
this.
wait,
No,
hey,
let
wait.
us be honest. I have been searching for this love and I am not seeing it because I don't know where you people hid it to. If it is a love
Maybe it's in the
treasure,
ocean.
we need to
Maybe it's
go
in the ocean.
treasure hunting. What?
Maybe it's in the ocean.
That's what I'm saying. That in the ocean, we need to dive into it because the LGBTQ community
And
was
then,
love. And we should go back to our past and embrace that side of our past. That is
yeah,
one good side of our past we are gradually forgetting and we are fading it away because everybody wants to be famous, everybody wants to be what's up, everybody wants to be what's shiny. We cannot all be what's up. We cannot all be what's trending. We cannot all be what's bushy classy. Some of us we should be poor. It's not a curse, so but some of us may still be poor. Some
because
of us may
it's
be
one thing I tell people. I said we can't all be. If we are all leaders, it's one thing I always tell people. If we are all the head, who will be the tail? Who will be the neck? Who will be the chest? Who will be the hand? Head and the head. Who will be the neck? Who will be the leg? Who will be the tail? Who will be the back? Who will be the shoulders? The thing is just very, very complicated. And I always tell people like, let's
and
just stand support each other. Yes,
I just think social media has just made everybody lose their mind and everybody just feel, oh, this is what
exactly.
I want to be.
We just,
But
I think social media has made us lose it, and everybody now wants to be a lecturer, want to be a lecturer, want to be the reporter, want to shade, want to be
want to be
the
on
queen of
pause,
shade.
they want to be rapport.
Of
We
course,
cannot all be rapport.
you
If we
report.
be all
That's the
rapport,
thing
rapport
everybody
will
wants
be
to do.
boring.
Give me.
Sometimes it is
It's
okay
just
to you. It is okay to just be you. And that's the most important thing because like at the end of the day, there was no RuPaul. RuPaul wasn't trying to be like any other person. RuPaul was just being himself. And what he was doing came out to the beam light. And so is Alexa and every other person. Just be you, just be your true authentic self. Be there for the community. And
thank you.
yes, and that's it for
Go
me.
on, go on, go on.
No, that's it for me. And
Okay.
when you're doing your classism, do your classism with sense. Because at the end of the day, me, I do classism. I don't roll with any other. I don't roll with certain type of people. I'll say it openly. I don't roll with people who don't have sense, who don't have brain. I don't roll with people. If you like
Don't
have
agree. I
connection,
don't know with people who don't. I don't know people who don't have a vision. It starts for me. You can be as far as the church as me. You are driven. You know what you want. You don't have time for gossip. You don't have time for backbiting. Like, you don't have time for what people are saying or what this and a because that's one thing people know me for. I do not go with people that if every big thing we talk about is we talk about big people. Because like I tell people, I say small mind discuss people, great mind discuss ideas. That's the thing. Small mind, you just come around, you discuss people. So what is Chimeze doing today? Is this what he did? Is this what that's what small mind discuss? But big minds come together, great minds discuss greatness and innovations and what they can do. Oh, Kiwi Talk is working for me. How has your poem been doing? That's what greatness is supposed to be. Chimeze, what about your poem? How is it going now? What's the next thing? We talk about this, talk about that. And that's why we know that every time we talk, 95% of what we are doing next, what we are planning to do next. And that's what so one thing I tell people, you have to be a great man. You have to discuss ideas, and that's what I want to hear about. Not what this person did, left you today, how many inches you are taking, how many inches you want to take yesterday. You want to do. You are going on 30 years. Before you know, going on 35. Before you know, going on 40.
at
Before you
60,
know, you don't
60, no achievement, no ambition, nothing.
no achievement, no ambition, failures. Forgive me, I'm not just
I've,
my dear,
I've,
I have my own issues with that.
I've just said this, and this would be like the final word for me. though we've talked about the community supporting the community, but another thing also is the community, the LGBT community supporting its members, because like the community needs to start having resources. Community members need to start making. I don't know why we don't have like a queer magazine. Why don't we have a queer coffee shop? Why don't we have a community based incentives? Like the community itself too needs to offer things to the members so that the members too can benefit from the community. So one way, other way, and the equation is even.
And that's why very soon you guys are getting it first time. Sex education, a new program. Just watch us. It's very interesting. It's the community to teach you guys because we know you guys do without sex. Money, sex. Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, Ewu. For some for community members, they will always have sex. But don't worry, we got you covered. A lot of things are coming your way. We have you covered. So we can talk on another. And one final thing I want us to address, or we'll address it in another episode. That's another, an entire topic on its own. So that's why I left. I said the issue of fake life. The fact that people now live a fake life just to impress people or to people to pay them in a particular class. That one is a big issue. So fake life. So don't think I should trust us. We're going to talk about, give opinions, talk about the way that even give our own personal stories of how or where we have had to the fake life to get something or to do something. We'll talk about it. It's an episode on its own. But that's our offering for this episode. And it has been very, very interesting. Thank you, Chimireze Heavy, for being on this episode and for giving it to us back to back. So
You
our activities.
no wala.
Our activities. and you know, guys, I always do this every week. Join us next week for another interesting and exciting episode. And please don't forget, do it now. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more interesting episodes. And like you guys said, we are launching a new show very soon, and a lot of other interesting things are coming in. So thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next week. See you all later. Peace out.